So these brown colored contact lenses are perfect for beginners. Hi everybody, missed me? I'm sure you did. For all of you who are new, hi, my name is Lizette. Welcome to our channel. If you've been watching me for a while, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate all of your support. I am making this as a color contact lens guide, especially for my beginners. A lot of you have commented on various videos, various YouTube shorts that I've made here on my channel, and I realized that most of you are beginners, and some of you are beginners and are just dipping your toe into wearing color contact lenses. And I think this guide would be good for you because I'm going to be talking about the brown color today. So the color brown, one of my favorite colors in terms of color contact lenses. I think a lot of you or some of you like brown as well. So I'm going to be making this brown colored contact lens guide for you all. I'm going to be doing a series here on my channel. I would appreciate all of your support. Let's start with the color brown. Here are my 3 top picks for brown colored contact lenses. All the lenses will be named and I'll be telling you which ones I like the most. Here you go. Let me know in the comment section down below, which lenses do you like the most? These are my top 3 picks for brown colored contact lenses currently from all of the brown lenses that I have. I will also be giving you some suggestions as to other color contact lens companies. Maybe I didn't feature in this video, but I've worn their lenses and really love their lenses. Wait for that at the end. And now let's jump into which ones I like to which ones I absolutely love and show you up close shots. So really quickly, here is my coupon code for all of the companies that I've mentioned here today in this video for Unicoeye, Unibling, as well as ColorCL. Just so if you are interested in getting some extra money off and you're interested in any of the lenses that I talked about here today or any of the lenses on their website, you can definitely feel free to check them out. Now, the ones that I like, the first pair that I like are the Unibling Yellowstone color contact lenses. It's the ones I'm wearing here. I think they are very good if you have dark eyes. If you have really dark eyes, these lenses are going to pop. They're going to stand out. I have light brown eyes, so these lenses I think are a little too intense for me, a little too opaque, but I think they can be natural. If you see the natural lighting shots, especially the up close shots, they can pass for natural lenses, right? What do you think? Let me know in the comment section down below. But I think the shade of brown, this is a very bright, opaque, I would say very bright brown, the brightest brown that I pretty much have in my entire collection, one of the brightest browns that I have. But I think they are kind of natural and very pretty at the same time. They kind of remind me of like lion's eyes. If you've ever seen lion's eyes before, they kind of remind me of that. Very intense, but very pretty, and they're great if you have dark eyes because they're definitely going to show up. It's like a nice fiery orange mixed with brown, if you will. What do you think about these lenses? Let me know in the comment section down below, and let me know, have you ever worn Unibling's lenses, and what do you think about them? Now let's jump into the next pair that I like. I like the Unicoeye Rio Ochre lenses. I think they are very pretty. They are very subtle, natural. I think they will look nice on if you have dark eyes and if you have light eyes. I feel like they are such a pretty shade of brown. The lens itself is like blue and a little bit of orange, and if you have brown eyes, I feel like the blend is very, very pretty, very natural. It all blends together very, very nicely. So definitely check out these lenses. They're more on the natural, subtle side, but they still give a beautiful look, and I think you will like them a lot. I definitely do. They have become one of the prettiest browns that I have in my collection, and they blend very, very well with my own eyes. So I really, really, really do enjoy wearing them. They're very comfortable. Let me know if you like Unicoye's color contact lenses. Let me know in the comment section down below, and let me know what you think about these lenses. Now let's get into the pair that I absolutely, absolutely love. The ColorCL Siesta Black Edition Romance Fawn lenses. Oh my goodness. I've been wearing those lenses for the past 2 months. I've been wearing them pretty much almost every day. In a lot of my Instagram pictures, I have these lenses on because they are comfortable. They are so pretty. It's like a nice hazelnut coffee brown, and it's so beautiful. It blends very, very well with my own natural light brown eyes. They just give them a little bit of extra oomph, and I absolutely, absolutely love that when it comes to colored contact lenses. You all know how much I love that. They're subtle and natural, but they still show up on your eyes. I think these lenses will be great if you have light brown eyes or lighter colored eyes, because these lenses are going to look so, so pretty on you, and they're gonna just give your eyes that natural oomph that you like. I know I do. Let me know what you think about ColorCL's color contact lenses in the comment section down below. Let me know, have you tried the new Romance Edition from ColorCL? Let me know your thoughts and opinions, of course, in the comment section down below. And now let me tell you about another company that I absolutely love their lenses. Mills La Diva, a fellow content creator here on YouTube. She has her own color contact lens company, and I absolutely love her lenses. Boss Brown is one of my favorite lenses from her. I absolutely love that color, the Boss Brown and the Boss Blue, but the Boss Brown is such a beautiful shade of brown. I've reviewed them here on my channel. I will link it up in the cards right here so you can check her out. Definitely check out her contact lenses. Definitely check out her company. She has so many different colors, so many different collections. She just dropped a new collection, I believe, and definitely check out her company. She has amazing lenses, but the Boss collection is one of my favorites. Thank you so much for watching. Definitely check out this next video. It's my ColorCL video where they sent me some lenses, and I definitely review them for you all. And check out my Unicoeye as well as Unibling color contact lens reviews. I will link them up in the cards as well. Here you are. I hope you enjoy, and I'll check you all soon.